Hey, Knoptop here, and I just went to the Goodwill and I picked up something pretty cool. I want to show you guys. Check this out. This right here, vintage VHS camcorder. It's got it all. It's got a tape in it. It's got batteries. It's got a weird little lens thing. I want to show you some movie magic using this camcorder. Hello. We're testing this thing out. I'm not used to I've never held a camcorder as a selfie camera before. It's kind of crazy. I mean, when you think about how big this case is, this is what we used to deal with. Look at this. This is serious. We've got little stowaway stuff up here. That's kind of cool. Curious what this lens is, but all right, this is the film camera of my era. This is what I grew up using, one of these old VHS camcorders. But it's awesome. The battery works, the camcorder works. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna test it out, but I just wanted to show you guys. This thing's large and in charge. It's actually really comfortable on my shoulder. It's not really designed to shoot selfies, and that was something that back then I never even thought to shoot myself like that, hold the camera out at arm's length and try to film myself. It just wasn't what we did back then. Back then we filmed everything else. One thing I love, or I miss the most, is the zoom. Look at that. Yeah, we can just zoom in. Not bad. VHS. All right, let's take this thing out for a test run. This is something I love the most about making videos. It's movie magic. When I talk about movie magic, it's not me filming myself with a VHS camcorder. It's the fact that you think that I'm filming myself with a VHS camcorder. See, I'm just using my phone right here. See that? Movie magic. That's one of the reasons I got into this video making, filmmaking biz. And it's one of the things I love most when I can put some stuff together and make people think they're seeing what they're not really seeing. And the way this magic happens, I'm going to reveal it to you. It's those little tricks, those real subtle things that look natural but are actually there to put it in your brain. That's the real camera. I saw a silhouette of it right there, right? That's the silhouette. It's filming itself. Oh, it's not. It's the phone. I'm just holding the phone right next to the camera. So all of this was shot on a VHS app that I have, and I'll link that in the description below. And I've tried out a lot of different apps. This one works the best. I'm not sure if this app's only available on iOS. You can check that link. If it's available on Android, it'll be linked down below. But to me, it is one of the best apps, and it looks the most realistic. And it got me thinking, I grew up using a VHS camcorder. I didn't grow up using film. Film is not my vintage look. Vintage look to me is VHS. That's all I knew. That's all we ever shot on when I was younger. So I've been experimenting and messing around a little bit more with this app just because it looks so realistic. Now, don't get me wrong. I would love to use a real camcorder, put a tape in, deal with the battery, deal with that little viewfinder, all the fun that comes with actually using a real camcorder. But this goes to show you, look how good this looks. And for the movie magic moment, it served its purpose. It might not be as fun to shoot holding a phone. This camcorder is actually really comfortable. Putting it on my shoulder, I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot. This is what it was like. Carry around a little briefcase when you're walking around town. Hopefully I might have fooled some of you into thinking I really did use that camcorder. I think it's a really cool practice just to go out and mess around with editing techniques. And this is why I got into making films. It's the easiest way to do magic. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope I fooled you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this app, and tell me what you think about the nostalgia of VHS. I kind of want to shoot some more stuff. Not so much that I want to see static all over my video, but just going out and just having that lo-fi look. It's very reminiscent of a lot of the films that I made that hopefully one day I'll share here on the YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm David Lee, and these are the stories of the unknown.
Thanks again, Knoptop. Go make something.
Really moving.